Good afternoon, class. You already know about human body. The human body consists of a number of organ systems. Some major organ system are digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, and skeletal system. Each of these systems consists of different organs that help them to perform some specific function. So here we are going to learn about digestive system of the human body. Before we study the human digestive system, it is necessary to understand the nutrient. So, what do you understand by nutrient? Nutrient is a types of substance. Nutrients is a types of substance which used by an organism to survive, grow and reproduce. So, nutrients can be classified into different groups. First one is carbohydrate, second one is fats, next proteins, vitamins and minerals. Water is also essential for functioning of the body. So first we discuss about carbohydrate. So what do you understand by carbohydrate? Carbohydrates provides energy for proper functioning of the body. There are two types of carbohydrate. First one is a simple carbohydrate and another one is a complex carbohydrate. Carbohydrates like glucose, fructose and sucrose are the simple carbohydrates present in fruits, sugarcane and milk. The example of complex carbohydrates like starch, which present in the staple diet like wheat, rice and potato. Carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrate is made up of two words, carbo plus hydrate. Carbo means carbon and hydrate means water. Now next one is fat. Fats are the energy banks for the living organism. Fats are known as energy bank for the living organism. They are stored in almost all parts of body except in the brain. Fatty acid and glycerol are the simplest form of the fats. The fat act as insulation of the body. The fat act as insulation of the body. So what do you understand by insulation? Insulation is a protection process. Protection from the cold. Now oil, milk, butter, ghee, nuts and meat, they all are an example of fat. Now we discuss about protein. Proteins are the body building food. Proteins are the body building food. They are the large chemical molecules that contain amino acid. So we can say that proteins are made up of amino acid. Proteins are made up of amino acid, which are compound of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. So protein are called bodybuilding food because why it is called bodybuilding food? Because they help to build new cell. Because they help to build new cell. The foods rich in proteins are meat, fish, eggs, milk, cheese, nuts, beans and peas. Proteins help in the building of worn out cell. It also makes antibodies in our body. It also makes antibodies that help in fighting harmful bacteria and virus. Vitamin is an important micronutrient, is an essential micronutrient for the proper functioning of metabolism. Due to lack of vitamins, the lack of vitamins can lead to diseases known as deficiency diseases. Now we discuss about vitamins and their sources. So, first one is vitamin A. The main source of vitamin A is milk, butter, egg yolk, dry fruits, etc. The source of vitamin B is unpolished rice, germinating seeds, milk, eggs, meat, and yeast. Vitamin C, the source of vitamin C, like lemon, orange, lime, amla, tomatoes, and the source of vitamin D is milk, butter, egg, cabbage, etc. And the source of vitamin E is peas, germinating wheat, green vegetable. And the source of vitamin K is green vegetable. All green vegetable are the source of vitamin K. There are two types of vitamin. First one is a water soluble vitamin and fat soluble vitamin. Vitamin B and C are water soluble vitamin, but the vitamin A, D, E, K are fat soluble. Now we discuss about minerals. Minerals are known as protective foods. Why they are known as protective food? Because they protect us from disease and help to keep our body healthy. Now we discuss about some source of minerals. There are some minerals: sodium, potassium, chlorine, calcium, phosphorus, sulfur, iron, copper and iodine. So the source of sodium and potassium is common salt and vegetable. The source of mineral chlorine is common salt, fruits and vegetables, cereals, etc. And the source of calcium, milk, dairy product. Now green vegetables also. Now phosphorus, source of phosphorus is meat, liver, milk. Now source of sulfur are milk, egg, paneer, fish, meat, and the source of iron, green vegetable. The source of copper, cereals, pulses, vegetables, and the source of iodines is seafood, root vegetable, etc. Now we discuss about water. Water is also an important nutrient. All chemical reaction is done in the presence of water. Food cannot be digested without water. A large part of blood is water. And the waste product of our body dissolve in water and expelled out. So we can see that water helps to regulate our body temperature.